All right, good morning. Hey, well, listen, Creator Concierge fans, this is your boy DB, just reaching back out to you guys. Last time we got together, I was telling you that I needed to send off two pairs of my Kohan shoes because my shoes were needing to just get totally refurbished. So I went on ahead and sent them off. Due to time constraints, I needed to get a pair of the shoes back. This is what the arrangement was. We're going to send you one pair back, and then we'll send you the other one when they're ready. So I'm good with that. So I have something for when I travel this week. So here we are. Just got the box today. FedEx dropped off. Opened up the box here. So it has a My Shoe Hospital little sticker. That's pretty cool. Like that logo. That's a nice brand. And then it also has a We Hope You Fall in Love Again. With Cobblers Direct. So pretty cool. Little stickers that came inside. So here we go. I'm opening up the box here and taking out the plastic paper. All right. Okay. So here we go. So this is my nice brown shoe from Kohan. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Wow. Okay. I'm already impressed. So here we go. Okay. This is the after of the shoe. Man, I mean, these things look like they were just bought yesterday. Look at that. Inside of the shoe has that. Now let's take a look at the bottom. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is hot. Okay. Now that's some craftsmanship right there. Now I'm gonna tell you the before we were looking like, I mean, we were rough. But they come back. Okay. So this is the results of sending off the shoe. Uh, this is the results of sending off the shoe to Cobblers Direct. So I highly recommend utilizing them for refurbishing your product. Hands down, great value. Timing on sending the shoe off was not an issue. The first impression you make is your shoes. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely want them to be right. So I definitely recommend Cobblers Direct for your shoe refurbishing. Don't need to go spending money on shoes. These shoes are expensive. I've had these Kohans for some years. The best comfortable shoe I've worn. And to be able to see the effects of refurbishment, definitely worth my other shoe. Hey, so listen, so stand by. We're going to show you the black pair when they return. Thanks again. Take care.